Are automated extensions in Google Ads not working the way you like? While they can be helpful sometimes, they might not align with your ad campaigns, goal and branding. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable automated extensions in Google Ads so you have better control over your ad appearance. So I am on my screen and I'll show you today exactly how you can disable automated extensions in Google Ads. So what you have to do is you have to log in your Google Ads account first. Once you have logged into your Google Ad account, once you have logged into your Google Ad account, then you can find the dashboard of Google Ad. On the left hand side you can find the option assets. So under that click on assets. Under the assets you can see different kind of assets, site links, call outs, structure snippets and all the extensions that you have implemented. So you can see a lot of extensions, some that you have manually put in and some that has automatically implemented here. So to turn off, on the left hand side you see an option of more option. Click on that there, or click on auto level automated extension. So I have already turned this off, that is why no data is showing here for automated asset. Then again click on more option, advanced setting. Under the advanced setting you can find the options of dynamic site links, all outs, dynamic just snippets. To turn them off, just check the off options, check the off options. So I would not say you should turn off all the ones, you should turn off the ones which you don't want. So such as logo I have manually implemented it and I want that logo to be shown on each and every ad. I don't want any automatic dynamic logo implemented on ads. So I would turn this off. Business name I would turn this also off because I have implemented it manually. Dynamic images, it depends. So if dynamic images are good, or if you are implementing specific dynamic images, then keep it turned off. And if you want dynamic images to be implemented on your picture, then you can turn this on. Auto locations, this should also be turned off. This should also be turned off. You can keep this or you can turn this off, depend upon your criteria. And then seller rating, I would suggest to keep this on because it shows a seller rating, so that is fine. Then structure snippets, it also depend upon your campaign structure, all outs and similarly side links. So once you check or uncheck, then hit the save button, you would be able to save all these options. And that is how you can turn off all these automated extensions options in the Google ad account. And that's how you disable automated extensions in Google Ads. Taking this step give you more control over your campaigns and ensures that only the element you choose represent your brand. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you.